Good morning, student. I am Dr. Mahendra Ingole, Assistant Professor at Arihant Institute of Business Management, AIBM, Bavdan, Pune. Good morning, student. I am Dr. Mahendra Ingole, Assistant Professor at Arihant Institute of Business Management. In today's lecture, we are going to learn about marketing versus market. Market is a collection of buyers and sellers. It is also thought to be a set of individual or institutions that have similar need that can be met by a particular product. For example, the housing market is a collection of buyers and sellers of residential area, estate, and automobile market includes buyer and seller of automotive transportation. A market is therefore the set of all actual and potential buyers of market offers. The American Marketing Association defined marketing in 2005 as marketing is an organizational function and a set of process for creating, communicating, and delivering a value to a customer and for managing a customer relationship in a way that benefits to the organization and its stakeholder. Market. In this lecture, we are going to learn about definition of market, competition, key customer markets, marketplace, market space, and meta markets. Market. We already seen that market is a collection of buyers and sellers. It is also thought to be a set of individual or institutional that have a similar need that can be met by a particular product. For example, the housing market is a collection of buyers and sellers of residential area, estate, and automobile markets include buyer and seller of automotive transportation. A market is therefore the set of all actual and potential buyer of a market offers. Until recently, market also meet a physical location where buyers and seller meet to conduct a transaction. These marketplace like grocery store, malls, etc. In economics, competition is the rivalry among sellers trying to achieve such a goal as increasing a profit, market share, and sales volume by varying the elements of marketing mix, that is price, production, distribution, and promotions. Merriam-Webster defined competition in business as the efforts of two or more parties acting independently to secure the business of third party by offering the most favorable terms. The key customer markets in this consumer market, global markets, business market, non-profit government markets are included. In global market, the business is open globally for every person. They can buy a product and sell their product in a globalized way. In consumer market, it's totally depend on the consumer behavior and his choice. In business market, the product will be available for the business purpose in huge way. In government market, in this government runs a market that will not going to get the profit from the society. It is totally based on non-profitable mode. Markets. We have different types of marketplaces in our society like malls, online shopping. With the help of online shopping, seller and buyer can sell their product and buy their products. Market space. Market space, an information and communication based electronic exchange environment, is a relatively new concept in a marketing, since physical boundaries no longer interfere with buy-sell decision. The world has grown into several industry-specific market space, which are integration of a marketplace through sophisticated computers and telecommunication technologies. The term of market space was introduced in 1994 in their article Managing in the Market Space that appeared in a Harvard Business Review. In the article, the authors distinguish between the electronic and conventional market. In a market space, information and physical goods are exchanged and transactions take place through computers and networks. These networks consist of blogs, forum threads, and microblogger services like Twitter. Some of the example of the marketplace is Amazon, Flipkart, eBay, Traders. MetaMarket in Northwestern University Mohun has proposed the concept of MetaMarket to describe a cluster of complementary products and services that are closely related in the mind of consumers but spread across a set of industry. The automobile MetaMarket consists of automobile manufacturer, new car and used car dealers, financing companies, insurance company, machines, spare part dealer, service shops, auto magazines, classified auto ads in a newspaper, and auto site in the internet. In purchasing a car, a buyer will get involved in many parts of these meta markets, and this creates an opportunity for a meta-mediators to assist buyer in moving seamlessly through these groups, although they are disconnected in physical space. One example of Adams, a website where a car buyer can find these stated feature of the cars and price of different automobiles and easily click on another website to search for the lowest price dealer for financing, for car accessories and for used car begin price. Meta-mediators also serve other meta markets such as the home ownership market, the parenting and baby care markets and wedding markets. Two or more separate markets that are associated in some way to a product or services. For example, meta market for house cleaning product includes homeowners and domestic cleaning services companies. These are the markets of complementary product that are closely related in the mind of a consumers but spread across different industry, and the concept of meta marketing is to focus all the scientific, social, ethical and managerial experience. It can also be said that the combination of various entities within the same industry can be known as the meta market. The meta markets are on the rise because of the increase in the accessibility of internet on both computers as well as smartphone. Almost every individual in urban area have access to the computer and internet. There are plans being made by the Indian government to have an internet outlet in every 2 kilometers of India, thus making internet available to even the rural populations. Meta markets help facilitate to a movement of physical goods through online medium. Take an example of 99acres.com, a real estate portal. It's bring together buyers and sellers or real estate. Yatra.com brings together the traveler and the travel providers. Shadi.com brings the marriage services provides and the groom bride's family together. So on and so forth. These both Yatra.com and 99acre.com are meta market for real estate and travelers respectively. Some example of these sites are www.carvala.com, another is www.yatra.com, third one is www.makemytrip.com, and last www.shadi.com. Digital marketing is the component of marketing that utilize the internet and online based digital technologies such as a desktop computer, mobile phone and other digital media and platform to promote the product and services. Its development during the 1990s and 20s changed the way brands and businesses use technology for marketing as a digital platform becomes increasingly incorporate into a marketing plans and everyday life, and such as people increasingly use the digital devices instead of visiting physical shops. Digital marketing campaigns have become a brilliant employing and combination of search engine optimization, search engine marketing, content marketing, influencer marketing, content automation, campaign marketing, data driven marketing, e-commerce marketing, social media marketing, social media optimization, emails, direct marketing, display advertising, ebooks, and optical discs and games have become a commonplace. Digital marketing extend to a non-internal channel internet channels that provides the digital media such as a television, mobile phone, SMS, MMS, callback, and non-hold mobile ringtones. The extension of non-internet channels differentiate digital marketing from online marketing. The bricks and clicks model, it has typically been used by traditional retailers who have extensive logistic and supply chains, but are well known and often respected for their traditional physical presence. Part of these reasons for its success is that it is far easier for a traditional retailer to establish an online presence that it is for an startup company to employ a successful purely online one, or for an online only retailer to establish a traditional presence including a storage and well recognized brand without having a large marketing budget. It can also be said that adoption of bricks and clicks model, where a customer can return item to a bricks and mortar store, can reduce wasted cost to a business such as a shipping for undelivered and return item that would traditionally be in white. Thank you for watching my lecture.